I made a huge minimalist mistake, and I wanted to share what happened with you so that you can avoid doing this yourself, and also talk about how I am trying to rectify the problem. My life used to be cluttered. The acne that I grew up with really hindered my self-esteem, and I felt that being pretty was like all I had to offer the world. So because I thought that the way I looked was literally a burden and that I had no worth as a human being, I went out shopping and I purchased just about everything that had monetary value so that when I felt worthless, I could stand there and say, well, this is a $300 dress, so I must be worth at least that much. Horrible logic, right? But growing up with those insecurities, that's something that I went through. And it was at the end of 2016 that I read the book by KonMari, which is The Japanese Art of Decluttering and Tidying Up. And I essentially went through all of the stuff that I had been hoarding for years and started to get rid of it. And I have to say that was such a liberating experience. Literally things that brought me down, I was able to let go of. But I didn't get rid of everything, and it was just kind of scratching the surface. Then it was at the beginning of this year that I decided to do a bit of spring cleaning, which was absolutely awesome. I got rid of a bunch of stuff that I didn't truly love, and I really only filled my life with things that absolutely made me smile. The problem is I got rid of too much, and too much of the wrong stuff. So I am definitely not a minimalist. I'm not one of those people who has like 30 items, as you can obviously see. But I really like the minimalist idea of only holding on to things that truly make you happy, because we hold on to gifts or items that we bought because they had a certain value, or things that don't fit us right out of guilt or out of necessity or just because. But those things clutter our mind and they make us love getting dressed in our closets and our space less. So I loved the idea of getting rid of those things, and that's what I did. And I've watched a lot of minimalist YouTubers to try to understand this more, and one thing that every single person says is that they never regretted getting rid of anything. Even when they got rid of a piece that they thought that they would miss or had sentimental value, they didn't regret it. And so I thought, okay, awesome. And guess what? The same thing happened for me. I do not regret getting rid of a single piece. The problem is, I got rid of all of my basics. That's right. I got rid of all of these pieces that didn't make me happy, but naturally I gravitate to the bright colors, the bold prints, and the patterns and the textures. But unfortunately, I can't wear these with anything else. I know you've heard it before, the girl with a closet full of things who has nothing to wear, but literally, I cannot pair my outfits with anything else. I have a couple of dresses with different patterns and different colors. I have a whole bunch of crop tops that have these bright colors, and a whole bunch of shorts that again have these floral patterns or these bright patterns, and absolutely nothing to pair together. No denim shorts, I don't have a single pair of black or brown slacks, and I have nothing professional. I literally have a sweater that says, "Show me your kitties," and a blazer that has a hole in the elbow. And that's what I have to look professional. And as far as bottoms go, I got rid of everything. I literally have gym shorts and a couple of workout leggings. And for the longest time, I thought that was okay. But recently I've been working with two of my friends, Maya and Victoria, and they have literally both said to me on multiple occasions, "Cassandra, you cannot wear that to a professional meeting." And I'm like, why not? They're black pants, you won't even tell. And it's like, no, those are workout pants and it's very, very obvious. And it's difficult because I love the items that I do have. The problem is I literally can pair them with nothing else. Outside of this, I literally have a couple tank tops that is literally my own merch, and then I've got gym shorts. Just gym shorts. Like, I can't do anything with this. And the other thing is my track record with fashion. I need help. My fashion sense has not always been the best. And the reason why is because growing up, I never really had feminine fashion inspiration. My mom is a tomboy. She rides motorcycles and she's literally been half covered in mud ever since the day that I was born. So I didn't really get fashion advice or inspiration from her. When I did start modeling, I was put into the fashion world, and just because a striped tank top with bikini bottoms and a puffy puffer jacket and some lace-up sneakers that go up to your kneecaps is good on a runway does not mean that it translates into real life. And so all of my life I've tried to kind of dabble into fashion, but I've looked back at some of the videos that I've posted on YouTube and I'm like, oh my god, Cassandra, you are a mess. What are you doing? I have this video with like a purple shirt that had rhinestones right here that I paired with a pair of jeans that had rhinestones on the butt with a pair of shoes that had like rhinestones on the shoes and rhinestone earrings. And my logic was, hey guys, this is my outfit of the day. Because this has rhinestones and this has rhinestones and this has rhinestones, they all match. Therefore, I'm fashionable. No. I literally looked like a plum disco ball that got kicked off of the 4th grade playground. Like, stop, Cassandra. So admittedly, my style has not been the best. And on top of that, when I did my spring cleaning this year, I got rid of all my winter outfits. I literally got rid of my long sleeve shirts, my tank tops, my big jackets, my sweaters, and I have nothing to wear. I'm going to the snow in a couple of weeks, and I've got one puffer jacket and literally my workout leggings. Like, I don't even have my tidy whities. What am I gonna wear? My merch and my gym shorts? An email popped up into my inbox that I was about to just send to spam and be like, not interested, because I had fashion, and looking at my track record, I do not trust myself to pick out clothes anymore. But then I realized it was from Daily Look, which is actually a clothing styling service. And that's when I decided to make this video, because a personal stylist helped to pick these out, and then I actually want you to help me choose what to keep, what goes with my closet, and what to return. Because I need help. I filled out my preferences online and I essentially said, like, I need basics, I need stuff that I can wear for the winter and the fall, and a stylist essentially helps pick out clothing that she thinks you would like, and then you return the rest. The styling fee is $40, but it goes towards the clothes that you're purchasing, and you can either choose to purchase the items or to return them, and that $40 styling credit goes to your things. So I need you to help me figure out what from here I should keep that actually goes with what's still left in here. So this right here, it looks like is the personal note along with the little shipping return label. It's free shipping, and I was like, yes. Also, my stylist was Veronica. It says, happy fall from Daily Look. This is the first daily box. I hope it supplies you with the basics you're looking for. A couple of waterfall cardigans, sweaters, lots of options, some oversized stuff, and she actually helped source brands that are a little bit more ethical, which I'm so happy about. So that being said, ooh, wait, this feels so nice. This is the material I should get tidy whities for the snow in. This is a nice little jacket from Dreamers. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. I like that it has pockets. Oh, it's actually really cute, and it's comfy, and I like that it's warm because aside from that one jacket and the blazer with the hole in the sleeves, I'm out of luck. So this is the first option, which I actually really like. And then this is the second one. It sounds like this has kind of a double knit. Let's see how this looks. It looks a little bit weird with my merch. Like, this is literally the t-shirt that I have left. So that's cute. It fits well, and I like the satin inside, but these pockets are not my favorite. They're not as deep as I want them to be, and I don't like the button. I like the zipper. But you guys tell me, what's gonna match? The second option is this Olivia Gray. Ooh, this is a black thing. It looks like a bat. Like, Halloween's over, but do you see that? This is kind of cool. Okay, so this is like a blazer, but it's like a blazer with a twist because it has this like bat thing in the front. I feel like I could throw this over some of the dresses though. What's this at the bottom? Oh, you can scrunch it. Oh, I see what you did there. The only thing that I don't like is that there is not a way to close it at the front. And it's also a little bit short on my arms. I am 6 feet tall, so that's often an issue. Oh, this is cute. And it's soft. Oh my god, it has a hoodie. So this is a little green jacket. Oh no, I can tell that I'm already gravitating towards like the pajama feeling ones. This is a nice little sweater cardigan. Oh, it doesn't have pockets though. Oh, but this is cute. And I feel like I could wear it over some of these dresses. Or could I wear it with any of these crop tops? I guess I could, couldn't I? So this is one that I'm really liking. Ooh. This is a black item. What is this? Oh, this is another cardigan. Okay. This one doesn't feel as much like pajamas, so I don't know how I feel about it. It's also so basic, but that's what I need. So this is what this one looks like. It's got a thicker knit here, and it's a little bit, ooh, it kind of goes down in the back. Like those high-low dresses. Do you remember those? Are high-low dresses even a thing? I just wish this had pockets, but okay, this is cute. Ooh, this is a dress. Okay, let's try this on. Naked time, demonetized. So this is actually really pretty, but it's way too big. It's really gorgeous, but like it feels like a balloon. So if I got this, I would need to change it. And also because of the shiny material, I don't know if I could actually wear this with anything else ever. I don't like this one, but if you like this one, let your girl know. Next we have this off-the-shoulder shirt, and I actually kind of like this. It's got like this cute little thing here, which is like I don't know, it kind of shows off my back acne. But the only thing is that it's also really, really big. It's really baggy. But you know what? It is comfortable. And I could wear this with some of my shorts. I don't know, is that cute? Someone help me decide, I can't make decisions. And then very lastly, we have, ooh, a pair of black jeans. Let's put on the black jeans. Not trying to get demonetized here. These are cute because they're kind of like boyfriend jeans, but they actually fit over my shorts, so I'm afraid they're a little bit too loose. Little pockets. So guys, that's what's in my daily look box, and I need you to help me figure out what to wear. Please post a comment and tell me which ones are your favorites, because I literally cannot decide. And if this goes well, I might consider doing this in the future. I used to subscribe to like an activewear brand, but they would charge my credit card every single month, which I didn't like, and then I forgot to go in and like choose the item, and I ended up just racking up all this credit that was a waste of money. What's really nice about Daily Look is that they do have an option that is once every 3 months, which works for my schedule because I travel all the time. As I'm a student, I own 3 businesses, and I'm working on kind of like a 4th, and I volunteer, and I need clothing that's versatile that I can go from the gym to a meeting to a cozy cabin in. So that's where I'm at, and that's what's going on. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll either do an update video or I'll update you on Instagram. My Instagram is @Cassandra Bankson. Or maybe I'll post it on like a Facebook live stream. But that being said, this is an adventure, and I am ready to learn how to be stylish. I'm really grateful that Daily Look popped up in my inbox, and there is actually a discount code if styling is something you want to explore. And if you are like me and have a closet full of things with nothing else to wear and nothing goes together, and you literally need someone to style you because you either have no fashion sense or you have no time, or you're like me and you have both of those problems. I love you guys to pieces, and I hope that you're transitioning well into fall, transitioning in any emotional changes, any wardrobe changes, or even skin changes, because our skin changes during the winter and the change of seasons, and mine has been a little bit dry. But I love you so much, and I'm so grateful for you being here, and I'm really grateful for your advice, which I cannot wait to explore down in the comments. Always remember to be beautiful, and I cannot wait to see you in the comments where you can tell me what to wear. Love you guys. Bye.